Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you 5 browser extensions I use for CTF and bug bounty hunting. And you are watching HeroFor's YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let's start. Proxy Proxy. Proxy Basic is a simple on-off proxy switcher. As you can see, I configured it for Bug Suite like this. Make sure the synchronization setting is turned off. Second extension I use is dark mode for every website. Third is stabilizer, popular extension used to identify technologies of any website. Fourth one is cookie editor, lets you efficiently create, edit, and delete cookie for the current tab. You can add, you can delete, you can import, you can export. And the final one is hack tool. As you can see, it includes cheat sheets as well as all the tools used during our test, such as XSS payloads, reverse shells to test your web application. You can see these are SUID commands, spawn shell commands using Python 3, PHP web shell, and these are the reverse shells. You can find XSS, LFI payloads, SQL payloads. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.